My loop is starting from 65 and going till 90 and it is incrementing by 1. It means that यहाँ पर मैंने जब ये क्या लिखा है तो this is typecasting. Typecasting is the process of converting the value from one type to another. So over here what do I have is I have a type of integer. तो ये integer को char में जब convert करेगा because of 65 to 90 value will be from capital A to capital Z. In the another example, since my value is starting at 97 and ending at 122, so this is an ASCII letter code for small letters. It will come from little a and go till little z. Now in this example, what do I have is I am having a series which is starting from 1 and ending at 6. Means my start value is 1 and my end value is 6. There is a jump gap of 1. तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा a is equal to a plus 1. I am making use of another variable called as s, sum. Sum will act as a box. Within this box, I'll be keeping all the possible values of a. All the possible value of a means that I'll be storing 1 followed by 2 followed by 3 and I'll go till 6. Sooner the value will become 7. Sooner the value will become 7. So what I'll do is I'll close the loop. My loop is getting closed. And outside the loop, I am printing this s because s is storing the addition. S is storing the addition. So my single answer will be sum of all numbers from 1 to 6. Now this is an alternate series. This is an alternate series, means all the even numbers are getting subtracted and all the odd numbers are getting added. So I'll be making use of a single variable sum once again, which I'll be printing it outside the loop. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to run my loop from 1 to 6, that is from the start value till the end value. But in between, there will be a condition. Condition based on odd and even. So if my loop variable a, when I'm going to divide this loop variable by 2, and if I found it even. So if I found it even, at that time I'll be writing s is equal to s minus a. Minus when we're going to subtract this because we have minus 6, we have minus 4. And if I'm going to write else, and then I'll print here plus a. It means all the positive number from 1 to 6 will be the odd numbers, means plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, and all the negative numbers will be subtracted. Since my printing is outside the loop, so I'll be having the single answer outside the loop. That is the solution of the series. Now I'll be showing the same question with while. What I'll be doing is I'll be writing a thing like 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. So I'll be declaring a variable called as sum is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. There will be no semicolon at this place. I'm going to make the use of semicolon here. My stop value is 6. So A is less than and equal to 6. I'll hold curly bracket because there will be more number of statements. Now at this stage, what I'm going to do is, if this part will remain same, that is a modulus 2 when it is odd. So odd numbers are supposed to be added. The sum is equal to sum plus a. Else, I'll be writing sum is equal to sum minus a. A is equal to a plus 1 or a plus plus will remain at the same place. And there will be a single answer, sum outside the loop. Let's see this. I'm going to have a bag. Isme I'm going to add 1 and will be adding 3 and will be adding 5. And likewise, I'll be subtracting 2, I'll be subtracting 4, and likewise, I'll be subtracting 6 when the loop is getting closed. So outside the loop, I'll be printing the single answer. Just remember one thing, whenever we have the series where I'm supposed to put calculation, my output will go outside the loop. So over here, it will be minus 6 also, right? Let's see this. This is my public static void main, the same simple syntax what we follow in every program from line number 4 till line number 9 is my main logic. The line says that the initial value of t as 0 because I am calculating, and a is the loop variable which is starting from 1, ending at 9 in a gap of 2. It means I'm going to have something like 1 plus 2 means 3, plus 2 means 5, plus 2 means 7, and plus 2 means 9. This is square. This is square. Square means every number will going to have 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square. One thing we need to keep it in mind, this is plus. So we need to keep plus in between. And since it is a single answer, I'll be printing everything outside the loop. So my printing is going outside the loop. Just remember one thing, that where are we keeping semicolons? This is the place where I'm keeping semicolon. Ending the line. Ending the line. And here also I'm ending the line. This is my block. Block is starting at line number 5 and block is ending at line number 8. So this is my block. So if there's a block, there will be no semicolon in the beginning of line 5, there will be no semicolon at the end of line 8, because block means collecting set of statements.